Good day, everyone. Welcome to this segment. We are still talking about the bar bending schedule. So this is a typical section of a base, a column base. Okay. Now we have the base as 900. We have talked about the base in the previous video, but today we are going to talk about the column. So you can see that the column here is made up of four lengths. Okay, is made up of four lengths. We have it this and this. You can see the indicator, showing that this information is made for this and this. Okay, so that is what we are looking at today. That is for the column. Okay, now the column also have stirrup. It is the stirrup that holds the main bars in place. Sorry, the stirrup in this case is what we refer to as lateral ties. So the lateral ties spans from this point to this point. So from here we have four pieces of lateral ties that will span this length, okay, at 200 millimeter spacing. Okay, at 200 millimeter spacing. So for the column now, we are looking at the main bar and the lateral ties. So when you come to this the schedule now, you have the column. We have the column as Y16. Okay, we have O1 bar mark O1. Okay, we don't have spacing for the main bar. Then this is how the reinforcement looks like. Okay, from the total height of that of that base. Okay, we made some subtraction because of the base, the reinforcement for the base. Then we arrive at 175. So that is what you are going to get from this point to this point. Then you also have a 150 bend. Okay, in most cases we usually have up to 225 length, okay, of the legs. All right, so but in this case we are using 1750 plus 150. It will give you 1000. This is supposed to be 1900. This is supposed to be 1900. Okay, 1900. Then you are expected to have four lengths of it. Okay, that will make up that column. So you have four lengths of it. So with this information, the iron bender will only get the reinforcement of Y12 and cut 1900 millimeter length into four. Okay, into four. So that is what is expected to provide here before he will start bending. Okay, to bend this 150. So this will actually aid the steel fitter on how to cut, on the length to cut, and also the bend to be made. Okay, so that is for the column. Then we come to the links. Okay, we come to the links. Now this is supposed to be lateral ties. Okay, supposed to be lateral ties. Now from the lateral ties now, we have 4 arrow 10. Remember I told this arrow is for mild steel, while the Y is for high heel steel. So the lateral ties, we are using mild steel. So 4 mild steel, diameter 10, O2 at 200. Why is it O2? Though they are all in column, but of different size and of different length. So that is why the bar mark will change. Okay, the spacing is 200. So you come to the schedule. We have lateral ties here. The bar size is arrow 10. Okay, the bar mark is O2. Okay, the spacing is The spacing is 200. Sorry. The spacing is 200. The spacing is 200. Then we have this length of the lateral, the ties. Okay, so when you add up the four sides and also the bend, you have 800, okay, as the overall length. So this 800 is what the steel fitter is expected to cut before it can now bend to, get this shape. So it's expected to produce 4 of it, which is this 4 here. So that is how we're expected to translate these informations of our reinforcement into our bar bending schedule. Okay, this is bar bending schedule. All right, so at this point I'm going to stop here. Do well to like, follow, comment, and share this information. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day. Thank you.